Hey y'all, it's Tara. I'm a Shoppers Beauty Pro and happy Lash Day. Today I'm going to show you some tips on how to do an at-home lash application. With strip lashes, just cut a little bit off the ends just so it fits your eye. Just lightly coating it from edge to edge. Let the glue dry just a little bit so it becomes tacky and easier to put on. When applying lashes, use tweezers to control the placement. When I apply my lashes, I like to start in the middle of the eye, right up to the lash line, and let the ends fall into place. I don't get my lashes on right the first time. It may take a couple tries, but once it's on, you can always fine-tune it. Even with your falsies on, you'll still need to wear mascara just to blend your natural lashes with your fake ones. Hopefully y'all learned some tips and tricks. See you next time.